Hi guys, welcome today in the daily newspaper, in the additional daily newspaper of Friday, March the 19th, 2021. Yes, I've already solved one puzzle in the additional, so 3 to go. The second Sudoku I will solve is a 4-star Sudoku, and this will be a number. Let me see, this will be number 2498. Alright, 2498. Before I start, I always count the printed numbers, digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus 4 is 11, 14, 16, plus 3 is 19. Plus 3 is 22, plus 2 is equal to 24. Correct. For 4-star Sudoku, we have always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level, and you cannot say Sudoku with 24 printed digits is more difficult than a Sudoku with 25 printed digits, a 3-star Sudoku. It depends. If you have a Sudoku with a lot of pairs, then it will be also a very tough and more difficult to solve. Yes, so it depends, but it's an indication of the difficulty level. All right. No more talking. Let's get started. All right. Let me see. In this row, let's get started. Yes, with this row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these two boxes. So the 3 could be here or could be there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. Here 3, no 3 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so in the last column, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. All right, and all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 9 and 8. We see here 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 9 goes there. All right. 1, 8, 8. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 5, 8. All right. Let me see. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. Now 2 numbers left in this row. For the numbers 4 and 6. 4 and 6 in this row. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4 goes here. All right. Then 7. Yeah. 6, 6. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. Alright. 6, 5, 5. How about 6, 6. Okay. 6. Yeah. 7, 7, 7. How about the 2 in this column? 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. Can I do 4, 4, 6? No. 7. 6, 6. 6, 6. I'm scanning. 6, 6. Okay. How about 5, 6. Yes, 3 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 in this. For the 7, it goes in this box. Okay, in the last column. So 2 boxes left in the last column for the numbers 6 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 6 and 4. It's a pair. 1, 4, 8. 8. Okay. 1, 5, 9. 1, 5, 9. Okay. This one could be a tough one. 1. Yeah. 7, 7, 7. Alright. Where do 4, 4, 5, 5. Yeah. 5, 4. Okay. 2, 2, 2. Let me think. Otherwise, I need to put some numbers. I need pairs to eliminate some boxes. Yes, 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1, 1. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 8. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. Alright. We have an 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there and 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 6, 2. 6, 2, 9. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 2 is missing, the 6 is missing, and the 9 is missing. And look, we have a 2 and a 9 here. So no 2 and a 9 in this box. The 2 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. It's a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 6. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and 5. Alright. We have a 5 here, so no 5 here. 5 should be there. And the 4 goes there. All right. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, the only place for the 4 should be there. We have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be here. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1 and 8. 1 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 1 goes there. 1 in this column. 1 in the last column. So the column between. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in the last row. 1 in that row. So the row between. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the third column. 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see here 1, we see there 1, so no 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 2 for number 1. Alright, 11 minutes passed. How about those 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 5 and 9? I cannot feel. Well, we have a 5 here. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And a 9 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 7 are missing. I cannot feel this yet. Well, we have a 6 here. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Alright, so we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the third row, so the row between. The second row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. You see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Now I cannot continue with the 6. How about the numbers? Those 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 5 and 9. We have a 5 there, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Alright, so we have a 5 in this row, the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Alright, 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 2 and 9. 2 and 9, look, we have a 2 here, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Alright, 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. Alright. Then 1 number left in this row, the third row, for the numbers 2. 2 is missing. Yes, 2 is missing. Alright. 2. 1 number left in the middle column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. Yes, the 9 is missing. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. I believe, yes, 2 and 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 2 goes there. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 1 number left in this row for the number 8. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 7. We have a 9 there, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 1 number left in the first column for the number 8. 8 is missing. Alright, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 7. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 6 and 9. 6 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there, so this box cannot be 6 anymore. This box should be the 6, and that box should be a 4. Alright, 1 number left in this row for the number 4, and the final number of this big square for the number 7 is missing. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow, quicker than the previous Sudoku. So, do you think this is a 4-star Sudoku? Well, I think whether it's a 1-star or 2 stars Sudoku. Because a 4-star Sudoku, I need at least 30 minutes to solve. And, well, I'm very pleased with the time and I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching and I will see you later in a minute with the 2 last puzzles, a binary one and a tectonic one, aka Sudoku with 4 stars. See you later. Bye bye for now.